It's time to talk surf stance. Surf stance is something you will hear being cued repeatedly throughout the Surfasana flow. So for those of us who aren't surf pros, we're going to take a minute to break down this fundamental posture. Your surf stance is the position you land in after having popped up onto the board or your mat. If you're a regular surfer, you will have your left foot forward. If you're a goofy style surfer, you will have your right foot forward. Wherever you land, be it regular or goofy, you land with your feet a little bit wider than shoulder width distance apart, knees bent, and your chest leaning slightly forward, keeping your back arm up, reaching away from your body, and your front arm up, elbow bent, and hand close to your chest. In general, your body follows your gaze, so in your surf stance, you want to be looking in the direction you're traveling. This is the basics of a standard surf stance. As we advance our practice on the mat and in the waves, there will be alternating variables. For example, bringing your weight forward to accelerate, back to slow down, onto your toes to ride front side, or your heels to ride back side. But we'll get into all that later. For now, let's just work on this, our standard surf stance.